Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a product here, DJI Mini 2. So this is a refurbished unit that I ordered from DJI. You can see it says RB unit, and I ordered a bundle fly mode combo. So it's ultralight, 249 gram here, and they have also included a memory card, 64 GB memory card, and the USB card reader. The refurbished unit got a little better price, cheaper, and they include like 2 years warranty on it. So that's what I thought it would be better to buy a little bit cheaper, and looks like all the packaging looks new and everything is sealed up. Alright, let me open the box now. Okay, they have also included a case in here. Probably they have everything should be inside the case. Okay, that's much better, I think, so that you will know where to keep all those items. Alright, so here is a Mini 2 drone. It's really small. You can see the size of it, right? DJI. It comes with the, so this is just to protect your propeller here and keep it inside of your case. That's how it says here. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propeller when storing. Okay, makes sense. So that way you are not breaking your propeller when you are storing here. So nice case. So let's check what else they have included. So inside the zip up here, they have included one screwdriver and propeller. So a couple of propellers in here. Let's check the other stuff. Alright, this is a controller. There we go. The record button, the camera button in here. And here you can insert your phone. I have a large Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's see if it fits. Alright, it fits perfectly, so I'm good with it. Okay, it's pretty heavy for the remote, the controller, but probably you have a big size, the battery life in there. The one end goes here, a USB-C, and this one goes to your phone. Definitely you need an iPhone. These are sports, cine, normal, power on. You'll see the battery, the indicator in here. Oh, they have provided you a joystick over here, so definitely that will be an extra. Let me see. So okay, this is an extra stick for your controller. If you lost them, right, you can simply use them if there's any issue with it. Okay, cool. Nice little storage here. You can charge your controller with the USB-C, and backside look like this. Okay, alright, let's check the other accessories here. Alright, okay, they have provided you a micro USB to USB type C, so definitely the type C will go to the remote control micro USB devices, and they have also included a USB-C to USB-C. Definitely I'm going to use this since I'm using a Samsung phone. I'm going to take that out and I'll put this in here. Alright, so let's put this back in its place. Okay, let's see the other stuff here. So they have here they have included a total of 3 batteries for your drone, and you can charge all three at once, or you can keep charging while you're flying, you know. So it's a fly mode combo. That's why they included this, the battery charger. It's so cool. Charge with USB-C here, power on. They have included an adapter and the USB Type-C to USB Type-A. So definitely you can connect to your adapter and charge the battery pack. Alright, it's cool. It's cool. It included everything. Now the last part here. Let's see. It's a quick guide. So this is a two-way charging hub. You can charge your USB Type A to C 100%, or you can also charge a phone or a controller. Oh, that's cool. See that? The out, you can connect your USB Type A to your Type C, and you can charge your remote control with these batteries, and your phone as well. So this is basically a power bank. So this is 2250 milliamp. So nowadays the phone has like 4000 milliamp battery, so definitely it will consume, you will take hold the two batteries power into your phone if you're charging it. Alright, so let's open this Mini 2 here. Unfold the front arm forward. Alright, this is how it goes. The top one. The bottom one is unfold the rear arm downward. So it goes like that, okay? And it goes like that. Alright. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. So you have to charge the battery before using, and this is the battery compartment here. You can simply open it. You can take out and you can charge from your either power bank, or you can simply charge directly from your drone. And there's a micro USB card slot in there, and it should be a power button here. Please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. Okay, so you have to take this off as well. That's a gimbal protector. Okay. So whenever you're not using it, you can simply cover it with the protector. There we go. Alright, when you're using it, take it out and you can just start using it. Alright, so I like the case. You can put everything inside the case, and you can protect all your stuff inside the case, you know. This is how it looks like, the drone. And pretty, it says 4K right here, you can see it, right? It's a gimbal, that's why you will see it's moving around. And ultralight, 249 gram. So please check your the state registration. Normally you don't have to register if it's under 250 gram, but it depends on your country. Samsung Evo Plus. Alright guys, that's all for unboxing. I'm gonna charge this, all 3 batteries together, and I'll try to see how this perform. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and I will be back with another video. You have a good one. Bye bye.